Hello and greetings, everyone. This is Bob from Bob's Marx Train, and just a follow-up short video, part 2 of the repair on the Marx Bubbling water tower. Some things that I forgot to mention in part 1. The light bulb. A little minor correction there. This bulb is a 14 volt, not a 14 watt. And I don't know if you can see this too well on this one, but just a clarification, the bulb is not glued to the Permatex or the repair. Permatex was put in there first, adequately dried for 24 hours, and then the bulb reinserted. I might also mention that the bulb, light bulb, does not contact the tube, about a 30-second away from the tube, so there is a slight air gap in there. I also wanted to mention about the foil, or this little cover that goes over the bulb. I forgot to mention that when you put the foil in there, it's a shiny side out. So as you're looking at it, like you see here in the film, the glare of the foil, the shiny side, is facing you. Also, the time it takes for the tube to warm up, it takes about 10 minutes to warm up. Most of the time it will start boiling and bubbling. In the event that it doesn't, you can take like an ink pen, something like that, and just give it a little tap, and that will start it. Also, the liquid that was in the tube, methylene chloride, has a boiling point of 103.2 Fahrenheit. So when you compare that to water, which is 212 Fahrenheit, whatever's in there, and once again I wanted to emphasize, I don't have a clue what's inside that tube, but more than likely, from my research, it was methylene chloride. I also wanted to comment that you can still buy, to this day, new bubblers. In fact, my wife bought one, a little nightlight that bubbles. I don't know what's inside that one either, but I would hope that it wouldn't be methylene chloride. As you know, the United States is regulated pretty heavily, so, and I know that also they're trying to find or have found substitutes for methylene chloride to make it much safer to use. Wanted to, as a side light, mention about the paint remover that I had. First ingredient is methylene chloride. This product is getting harder and harder to find. I had to drive like 50 miles to find it. Still made, but just a real excellent paint and stain varnish remover. I've used several, but this was, in my opinion, the best, if you can still find it. So, by the way, I use respiratory protection and gloves and eye shields when I use it. So, and when we're refinishing, we use water outside on a warm day to neutralize it, so it's somewhat water soluble, so you can clean it up with water. The last thing I wanted to mention on the material safety data sheets, the nice thing about those sheets, on the bottom of the sheets, they will mention on how is the safe way to clean up a spill. So in the event that this thing breaks, you've got a safe method to clean the mess up. So that's why it's important that you view the data sheet so you have the knowledge of the product that you're dealing with. So just a quick follow-up on that. Enjoy the hobby, and we'll be seeing you again soon.